Hello everyone, it's Tom here. Today I'm going to show you how you can add fractions or subtract fractions with different denominators quickly and easily. Okay, so I'll be going through a few examples so you can see how they work. They are all slightly different, and at the end of it, hopefully you understand exactly what you need to do if you were to do some yourself. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. A third, add a quarter. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do is you need to multiply their denominator together. So what you get is equal to 3 times 4 is 12. And then next, you need to add the numerator. And to do that, you need to multiply 4 by 1, which is 4. And then add 3 times 1, which is 1. Sorry, 3. Okay, and you have 7 over 12. Right, okay, let's try another one. 1/5 plus 2/3. This time we don't have 1 as the numerator in the second fraction, but the method is the same. So again, the denominator, we have 5 times 3, which is 15. And then we have 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 5 times 2 this time, which is 10. So at the end we have 13 over 50. Alright, next one, shall we try one with perhaps numerators that are not equal to 1. The method is the same, so at the top we have 2 times 4. If I write it out this way, hopefully you can see very clearly what we're doing. I'm sure by now you will know exactly what we need to do. Yeah, so 3 times 4 at the bottom is 12. At the top we have 8 plus 9, which is 17 over 12. And we have improper fraction, so we can simplify that to 1 and 5/12. Okay, next let's deal with one like this. So 1.5 plus a quarter. So when I see that there's a whole number, I usually take it out straight away. So when we come to do the subtraction, adding of the fraction, I don't actually look at that at all. So I'm going to put 1 here and then add and then do our usual. Okay, so it's 2 times 4 at the bottom, and then 4 times 1, which is 4, plus 2 times 1, which is 2. Adding them together, we have 1 and 6/8. And for 6/8, we can simplify that to 1 and 3/4. Okay, and lastly, this one is a little bit more complicated. Well, not complicated, but a little bit different still. So as I mentioned, I would take out the 2 and the 1 and add them up separately. So it's 3. And then we add the fractions together. So 3 times 4 at the bottom, which is 12. And then we have 4 times 1, which is 4. And 3 times 3, which is, 9. Okay. So now we have 3 and 13 over 12. And of course, 13 over 12 is an improper fraction, which makes it 1 and the 12. And the 1, you add it with the 3 to the 3. So we have 4 and 1/12. Alright, that hope makes sense. Subtraction works the same. Hope this makes sense. And any questions, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.